Assalamu alaikum viewers, I hope all of you are doing well and welcome to my channel Sociology 3 and 1. And today's lecture we will talk about the concept of socialization. So let's start. As we know, we obtain our knowledge of native language, social norms, values and beliefs via the process of social interaction while living in society. For instance, a newborn baby initially socializes within the institution of family until school-going age, where he learns basic survival skills such as how to walk, how to talk, feed himself, and use bathroom while interacting with his family members. Socializing refers to social interaction. It is the part of socialization process. Whereas socialization refers to the lifelong process of learning social skills that initiates since birth and continues until death. We learn new things in different stages of our lives while socializing with different people within distinct social groups with whom we interact in our daily lives. As we grow older and enter into the new stage of lives, our identities change within society, such as parents, lawyers, doctors, employer and employee, due to which we learn new rules in order to perform our roles associated with our new status in society. It enables us to play our social roles associated with our social identities within distinct social groups. For instance, usually until the age of 3, children socialize within institution family where their status might be a brother or sister, son or daughter. However, when they start attending school, they obtain new status such as students, classmates, and peers, etc. Norms at school differ from family rules. As a son or a daughter within family, children don't raise their hand to ask questions from their parents or sibling, whereas as a student they have to raise their hand at classroom to ask questions from their teachers. In order to function within school, children have to learn and understand school code of conduct. These rules of conduct are supposed to teach life skills to children and prepare them for a future to socialize in different social groups. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and comment our video. Thank you very much once again.